Alright, the last part of section 5 deals with combining addition and subtraction with the scalar. So as I'm looking at this, we're going to take -2 times A and then 3 times matrix C. Okay, so we're dealing with these two matrices. And then we're going to add those two answers together. Okay, so order of operations still apply here. So we have to do the multiplication first, and then we're going to add our two matrices together. So let's start with our scalars. Okay, so again, we're going to take -2 times everything in matrix A. So -2 times -9 is a positive 18. -2 times 12 is -24. -2 times 2 is -4. And -2 times -6 is positive 12. And we're going to add that to 3 times matrix C. So we're going to take 3 times our C matrix. So 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. And 3 times 7 is 21. And then we're going to add those two matrices together to get our final answer. So again, when we add, we are just adding the corresponding parts. So we're taking 18 plus 12, so that's 30. And then -24 plus 15 is -9. -4 plus 18 is 14. And 12 plus 21 gives us 33. So that would be our final answer for that problem. So our next example, this time we're going to take 3 times matrix B. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Now, for this part, we have to be a little bit careful how we write it. So if we're going to write minus here, then we're going to end up multiplying by positive 4 to D. Okay? If we multiply by -4, then we're going to write addition. So I'm going to put plus because I'm going to multiply by -4. So I'm going to take -4 times everything in D. So -4 times -1 is positive 4. And then -4 times 5 is -20. And then again, we're just going to add our corresponding parts together. So 6 plus 4 is 10. And then 9 plus -20 is -11. Now again, we could do it the other way, so I'm going to show you how to do it the other way. So use a different color marker here. So this one's not going to change, so 3 times our matrix B is still going to be 6 and 9. And then if we subtract, we're multiplying by positive 4 this time. So we would have 4 times -1, which would be -4. And then 4 times 5 is 20. And then we would subtract the 2 instead. So 6 minus a -4 would be the same thing as adding, so that's still 10. And 9 minus 20 is -11. So either way, you're going to get the same answer. Okay. And our last example. So matrix A, we aren't going to multiply to anything. So we would just rewrite it. So -9, 12, 2, and -6. And then we're multiplying, so again, I'm going to multiply the -3 in, so I'm going to put a plus here. So -3 times B is going to give us -6 and then -9. And then looking at this, we have a 2 by 2 matrix and a 2 by 1 matrix. So since our matrices our dimensions of our matrices are not the same, this is not possible. So not possible would be my answer for the very last problem. And that is going to conclude section 5.